GIS tutorial series. In today's video, we will discuss working with layers in GIS. We will cover how to add layers to the map, work with the layer properties like styling, labeling, and symbology, and understand the layer stack and how visibility works in QGIS. So, let's begin by adding layer to the map. Layer represent different geographic features as we discussed in our previous videos. Geographic features such as points, lines, or polygons. So to add a new layer in QGIS, you can either go to layer, click on add layer and select which layer you want to add, vector layer or a raster layer. And another method is click on the open data source manager. Now by default it select the vector layer. So now we add a vector layer or a test. Okay, open the browse button. Now select the now select the shape file. So this is the shape file. Click on this, click open. All the other options leave as it is. Click on the add button and close. Now right click on this, click on zoom to layer. Okay, first we check the open attribute table. There is a okay. The data is already have. So again, click on zoom to layer. Okay, we remove this one. Try the another layer. Click on this, and click on this one. I hope this one will work. Click on the zoom to layer. Okay, now click on zoom. So here we discussed how to add a layer. Okay, so now you want to if you want to download this type of layers, I will suggest you three websites. The one is Natural Earth. The second one is OpenStreetMap, and the third one is USGS Earth Explorer. Link will be shared in the below description. So you will download it from the below given links. So this these vector layers, it's one, two, three. But there are total four vector layers. Now I will want to remove this one and this one as well. Remove a layer. So I downloaded these vector layers from the OpenStreetMap website. In our coming videos, we also discuss how to download the vector data from the OpenStreetMap. So you can add multiple layers from different data sources to create a rich map with various geographic features. Like this one, the red stars. These are the places, and this one is roads, and this one is the fields, and roads. Like we zoom to this area, look at these areas, look at these green lines. This one is also a road, also road. We also look at this. These all are roads. Line suggests the roads. And the background image is downloaded from the Copernicus website. This topic is also discussed in our next coming videos, and how to download the Sentinel-2 image from the Copernicus website. So now, after this we discuss the layer properties. Let's explore layer properties. So each layer in QGIS has customizable options like styling, labeling, and symbology. For example, right click on this, go to the properties, and now we click on the labels. If you want to show the name, so if you want to show the name of the polygons, so click on it. By default is disabled. Now we enable the labels on the layer. Look at this. Now we want to show another column instead of the name column. For example, OSM ID. I want to show OSM ID on the polygon. Click OK, apply, then OK. OK, after this, I want to change the symbol. So, for example, I need this icon, Topo Hospital icon. Click on the apply button, then OK. Now look at the icons, which is changed from the star shapes to red cross. Okay, now if you want to change the color of the point, so click on this and change the color. For example, we select the red color. Click on apply and click on OK. Now look at this. Background color is changed. Okay, now if you change the size of the icon, so the size is a 4. Apply. Okay. Now look at the polygon. Look at the point. It's not a polygon, it's a point. The size is small. Okay. You can also customize the font size and placement of the labels to improve the readability. So labels are useful for making your map more informative. Again, right click on this, go to properties. Mm, the symbology, label, text. If you want to change the font, this style, thin, light, semi bold, bold, extra bold. You want to change the size, so I change to 12. If you want to change the color of the text, so this one is the red, click on OK. So now let's talk about the layer stack. The layer stack in QGIS represent the order in which layers are drawn on the map. So layer at the top of the stack will appear on the top of those below layers. For example, mm, I will move a map on multi polygons, move it to the top. Now look, the point data is behind the multi polygons layer. Look at these things. Okay, now I will disable the layer one by one. We can't see anything behind this layer. Why? Because it's work on the top to bottom approach. Mm, I enable or disable this layer, this layer. Now we move from top to bottom. Remove this layer. Now we can see all the layers. If we move this layer above the 3 layers, we can't see anything. We see only labels, but we didn't see the point. So disable this layer, we can see all of the layers. So I hope you guys understand how to control the visibility of layers is crucial, especially when working with multiple layers. For example, you want to hide a certain layers temporarily while focusing on others, or rearranging them to make sure important features are not obscured. So that's it guys for today. Videos on working with the layers in GIS. We covered how to add layers to your map, customize their properties like styling, labeling, and manage the layer stack and visibility. Layer stack and visibility. These skills are essential when building geospatial maps in QGIS. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more GIS tutorial. Leave your questions and feedback in the comment below. Thanks for watching.